Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. Today's Labor Day, but I don't mind working on Labor Day this time because this is video number 1000. Yes, this is the 1000th customer unit that I'll be demonstrating since I started shooting videos of my work. Now the ones in which I just discuss things, or like I put up a recent video showing you guys the speed control boards that I make. Those videos don't count towards the number that I claim because they're not actual demonstrations of a customer unit. So I only count demonstrations of customer units as videos. So today is the 1000 mark. God only knows how long I've been chasing this dream, but I finally have. Now I can finally say I have more than 1,000 videos on YouTube. So okay, now that I've indulged in myself, this radio comes from Tim in Holt, Michigan. It's out of a 75 Chevy Monte Carlo. It's almost identical to the last radio I tested, which was out of a 75 Cadillac. And this is the same basic design with a few minor variations. For instance, this one has black buttons, the Cadillac one has silver, but other than the cosmetics, it's pretty much the same unit. Now, this customer has requested just the modern internal conversion, well, no Bluetooth or USB or any of those other fancy features. And so we're here to, he asked to be wired to the original connectors, so he won't get that big increase in output power. The output power will be roughly equal to the original electronics. So using the original connectors, it'll just plug right back in with no hassles. And so some customers opt to go with that, so they don't have to spend a whole bunch of money, revamping their speaker system and wiring and stuff like that. So I've got this puppy set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get. Let's go ahead and turn it on and make sure everything works before we send her back.
95.5 FM.
So there's our AM radio, and I'm
Balance, adjust.
Oops.
Driver. I deliver food.
Okay, I didn't mean to do that.
Balance.
Let it time out. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions.
Every day I see people putting lives and families at risk.
Okay, going to adjust our
driving
front rear fader.
Period. Fader adjust.
Okay, so now, whoop, I turned the wrong knob. I got to do it again.
Around trucks. This message is sponsored
by
let's
try it again.
Trucking Association Foundation. Fader adjust.
Okay, see if I can turn the right knob this time.
Gonna raise the foot.
All the way rear,
the
front,
Working all
rear. Okay, sunroom.
I want to save some gas money by riding the cat shuttle. Fader.
Okay, left, right balance.
Monthly balance adjust.
Okay, all the way left, all the way right, left, right. And
Sometimes I wondered
sunroom.
what I was going to do. Going to go to Verdi. Balance
Set. Okay, let's go over to FM, and I have all 5 preset sets of stations in my area for a quick test. Okay, now we're on FM.
Say, go to AZ529.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
Contest ends October 1st.
Just last week, and that I love the dream I dreamed of. I come back and here today I call. Now only me.
Alrighty. So this unit has an eject button. Just press that in very slightly. It'll kick the tape out. Press it in too hard, and it'll change your station setting. So it's a good idea to have one of your favorite stations set to the leftmost button on this model, because that way when you eject a tape, if you push it in too far, you'll at least end up on one of your favorite stations. So and of course the dial light works. On this model, the dial light comes on with the radio, so there's no separate dial light connection on the connector terminal. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and to reach me for service, you can either call me at 928-533-9666 or visit the website in the description below. And I want to thank Tim for his business all the way from Holt, Michigan, and for you. Thank you guys for watching and listening to video number 1000. Oh man, I have been. Now I don't know what I'm going to do when, with the next video, because that's going to be 1001, and there's no real cause to celebrate that. So I'm going to milk this one for all I got. I got 1,000 videos finally on YouTube. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you next time.